Happy birthday, Nikki!
My message for you is good luck in college and have a fun and wonderful life.
All I'm gonna say is that soju is the best drink and do not drink anything else.
Happy birthday, Nikki! Wish ko for you is makagraduate ka ng maaga sa iyong pinagsong kurso.
Ako, I wish you happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. More birthdays to come.
Something new. Oh.
Wish ko sa kanya, she'll always have all the experiences in life. Either bad or good, she learned from it. She takes whatever lessons na makukuha niya doon and always be strong and God-fearing.
Step by step moving from it. I left my fears behind. They're good and gone. Good and gone. I needed something more, something worth living for. And I think I found it today.
Happy birthday, Nikki! So I wish you well going to college and I hope you get all the dreams that you are aiming for. I hope you enjoyed your stay here and always come back. Nandito lang kami as your family.
Yes. And we hope to see more of you soon.
See ya!
Time after time, I've been through this before. I spiral in darkness, I wanna be more. Over and over, it's taking me over. Caught in the pressure, can't take it no longer. Time after time.
Happy birthday, Nikki. Sana matapos mo ang pag-aaral mo at lagi mong tutulungan at mamahalin ang mama mo dahil yan lang ang kasama mo dyan sa iyong lugar. Sana pagkita uli natin, ayos na kayo.
Go.